Okay, today I'm gonna demo how to use clipping. Okay, today I'm gonna use. Okay, today I'm gonna show you how to use clipping mask in shell shape. Today I'm gonna show you how to use clipping mask in cell shading, and we have just flagged the hair area. And we make a new layer on top of that. This is hair layer, this is the new layer, raster layer. And we choose airbrush and we give this hair some shading. Just randomly do it. See, you don't have to worry you go off the border, go off the hair area, because we are gonna use the amazing clipping mask. Okay, see, we go back to the layer, we select this layer, we just use airbrush, and we go here. This is clip to the layer below button, and we click. See, all the area that's not overlapping with the layer below is hidden. It's still there, it's just not shown. If you double click this button, see, everything's back. It's not like they're deleted, so it's adjustable. And another way is to double click and choose click to the layer below. It's the same as this button. That is very helpful in cell shading, so you don't have to carefully avoid this edge area, which is super time saving. And that's all I want to teach today. Thanks for watching. I am Grace, the founder of Grace Toon Studio. We do Christian manga art. We also make bite-sized tutorial on Studip Paint based on our real project. If you like our video, please subscribe. Have a good day. Bye bye.